Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Audi A7 key battery. First, gather your materials. You will need a new CR 2032 coin cell battery and a small flathead screwdriver. Having the correct tools makes the process much smoother and prevents damage to your key fob. Always use a fresh battery to ensure optimal performance and longevity for your key. Now, let's open the key fob. Begin by removing the emergency key from its slot. This will reveal a small opening. Insert your small flathead screwdriver into this slot and gently twist or pry to separate the two halves of the key fob. Be careful not to apply too much force, as the plastic can be delicate. Take your time to avoid any damage. With the key fob open, you will see the old battery. Gently pry it out using your screwdriver, being mindful of its orientation. Notice which side was facing up, typically the positive side. Now, take your new CR 2032 battery and insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, faces upwards. This is crucial for proper function. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves and press them firmly together until you hear a click, indicating they are securely fastened. Don't forget to slide the emergency key back into its compartment. Test your key fob to ensure it locks and unlocks your Audi A7 properly. If it doesn't work, double-check the battery orientation. For an amazing upgrade to your home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to this and other great deals in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.